Hi everyone, this is the Lighthouse Lady. Today I'm going to give you a few tips on my Maytag washer. First of all, once every few months, I use the Affresh or something equivalent to the Affresh to clean the washer. It actually cleans the whole tub, as you will see in this demonstration. When using the clean washer cycle, the washer brings the water almost to the top of the rim to wash it thoroughly. When the cleaning cycle is finished, take some paper towels and wipe your entire washer drum to make sure there's no residue left in your washer. One very important tip is, when the washer is not in use, always leave the lid of your washer open. That helps the washer to dry out, and it prevents mildew from growing in your washer. When I place the clothes in the washer, I place them along the ring of the washer, leaving an opening in the center to balance all the clothes. Another very helpful tip: I found out that when I'm soaking items that have stains on them, if I don't wring out the water and I put the dripping wet clothes into the washer, that because the washer adds water based on the weight of the clothes in the washer, that the washer will actually add more water than usual to that load of clothes. I hope these tips were helpful. If you have any tips for us, please leave them in the description below. Please subscribe if you'd like to receive notifications for videos that are uploaded. Thank you for watching.